Alright guys, so after a long oh yeah, by the way, I'm Mike Dean from First Step Travelers. Anyways, after a long bumpy bus ride from Marrakesh, I am finally in Agadir, and I didn't even want to mess with it. I took a cab from the bus station to my hotel, which I paid $20 a night for, and I just kind of want to show you it, because when I got here, the dude at the front desk was pretty rude, very impatient and stuff like that, so I thought this place was going to suck, but actually, for $20 a night, I've got a pretty sweet place. I have two balconies and 2 double beds. Now I don't need 2, but you know, it was $20 a night, so why not? Check this out. Ocean, ocean, ocean. And that is why I'm here. The ocean. That's all I care about. I don't know how the Wi-Fi is because I'm going to be doing some work online, but I'm actually very happy with this place. I was like, man, I'm gonna walk up in here, this place is gonna suck, blah, blah, blah. No, it's actually pretty good. Oh, you know what? I haven't checked the bathroom. Let me check the bathroom. Not too bad. Shower's clean. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's got a little kitchenette, so I don't have to eat out every day. You know, if this place isn't like too loud at night, because there is a disco down underneath here. There's like stuff for tea and everything. Now if this place isn't too loud, I'm actually thinking about extending my stay here. I'm gonna really explore Agadir and maybe some of the surrounding areas. Don't know how the city is yet. I'll be kind of on my guard a bit, but we'll see. I'm pretty excited. Let's check it out, guys. Let's go. What's up, guys? So I've been out here exploring Agadir along the coast. I'm up here by the Ferris wheel, and I've had some pretty good authentic food, which I didn't record, where you like sit down and eat with your hands. Sorry about that, but I was a little caught up in the moment, and I'm just gonna kind of see what's going on along the pier, and I'll show you guys. Probably stay here for a couple more days because it's really relaxing here, and it's not too much hustle and bustle. Unfortunately, at this moment, I don't have too much for you on Agadir. I definitely really like this place. First of all, is it this side, this side? You can always orientate yourself by how far you are in relation to this giant Ferris wheel. But it's basically, in this area, is just one long strip of like beach, restaurants, and resorts. There is a, I don't know if you want to call it a suburb, but there's another area further from the beach that just like where the train station is and everything. It's a bit rougher. But once you get down here, it's just all like coast and resorts and stuff like that. I've noticed that kind of like Da Nang in Vietnam, that they're building a lot here. Like they're building condos, resorts and apartments and things like that. And it's like, it seems like a city that in the next 10 years is going to be huge. But right now it's just kind of in the development phase. I don't know the history of this place or anything, but it's pretty nice. Like I said, my room was only $20. The beach is beautiful. There's a couple surf camps probably 4 miles up the coast that I noticed, maybe further. But it's a heavy surf area. And what's up, man? I don't know what this guy's saying, but he wants money. But I was gonna say that as well. Like people will bug you for money a lot, as you can see. Sorry, man. But yeah, definitely being like a Westerner, like you're just gonna get that a lot. It's just like doesn't matter where you go. I've noticed that in Morocco. Everywhere you go, people are just gonna ask you for that, like money, and try to sell you stuff. I think that's my biggest pet peeve here. It's just constant people asking you for stuff, to the point like, I don't know, usually when I go to places and I talk to people, you know, you get people trying to hustle you into restaurants and stuff like that, but it's like here it's just constant. No matter what you do, if you don't look Moroccan, people are going to ask you for money or something like that. So it's a little annoying. The food is amazing. Next time I eat, I'll get some footage of it. And scenic. It's like super scenic. I'm definitely enjoying my time. I have my pet peeves, but I'm definitely enjoying my time here. I actually want to stay here longer than Marrakesh, definitely, because it was just overwhelming a bit about how many people would approach you for money and stuff. Let's see, what's some points I can hit on? Culture's very different. There's so many points I could go into on that. But I'm not going to, because it'd probably be really controversial, so I won't even talk about that. Probably just get a shot of the sunset, and that's about it. And then I'll chime back in. I will show you this mountain over here. This is really cool. It says God, King, and Country, I want to say. Could be wrong, but it's really, really interesting looking mountain. There's like a castle on top. I don't know what's up there, but yeah, right now I'll go ahead and end this, and maybe I'll check back in. All right, what is this?
In Arabic?
Yeah.
This is Shbikia.
Yeah?
And this is Tamara.
Okay.
And this is Harira.
Okay.
Harira.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is Msimman. Msimman with the Bez.
Okay. And we're gonna try it.
And this is tea.
And this is tea.
With mint. And look to the
I don't know if she wants me to record her, so I won't.
To prepare the tea,
Yeah.
we make the mint and sugar, and we turn it back to
Do it again.
and the second time, yeah, and should be more higher for this white mousse. La troisième fois.
Beautiful.
This is the last time.
No, this is the last time, guys.
So we will finish. When you will drink it, you need to more higher. Yeah.
Look at that pour. Amazing.
And now it's ready to drink.
Okay. It's hot. Okay, guys. Delicious. 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 This right here has so much sugar that you'll explode, and it's delicious. And I love it. Like these, they look like ears, and I love it. It's so good. Ah. Oh.
What about this?
That is delicious. It's full of honey. It's so good. Eat up. Alright, cool. This is probably where I'm going to end this video, guys. I am on a bus on the coast, and I'm just going to relax for a little bit. I might head back to Marrakesh in a bit, so if I do, I'll add some more, but like, subscribe, you know, do that thing. See you next time.